Okay, the last thing I was going to show you is this box here. So this box I bought at Home Depot or something, and it's just a typical box for like routing wires, surface mounted, and I just took the PCB board out of the AC adapter, and that's what you see in there, and the wires over here on the right side, that's the DC. I didn't do anything to that. That was already connected. And then the black wire comes out and it goes to the lighting. And what I did is I spliced it. It really looks like this. I cut the wire and there's a positive and negative wire. I just determined which ones were positive and negative, and like with the multimeter. And then I connected it to the positive negative for the lighting. And let's see here. You can see the AC in here, and it goes into these wire nuts here. There's one back there, one here. Yeah, so that PCB board I got from this AC adapter. That's what came with the LED strip lighting, this guy. And so that's if you were open this guy up, you'll see the PCB board in there. And this is the wire that comes out, and that's the wire I spliced into. And that's the original end, but I just connected the wires, the two wires that are in there.